Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amit and you're watching Tech Dost Amit. So today I'm going to show you the four. I'm going to show you three gaming PC under rupees 40,000. So here is a list of top three in my opinion. So you can select them and buy them from Amazon. So first of all, Syntexia gaming computer. It is a desktop PC Intel and the processor is Core i3 9100F and the RAM of this PC is 8 GB DDR4 and the storage, the hard disk on this PC, the size of 240 GB M.2 SSD and the HDD is 1 terabyte and 2 GB DDR5 GeForce NVIDIA 1030 GPU operating system and the basic install plug and start. So here is a picture of this PC. You can also check them from my description. Here is a full list and specification of this PC. This is the Syntexia. The processor is iCore i3 9100F and 9th generation and the motherboard is Asus Prime S3100M and the RAM is slot 1 8 GB DDR4 RAM 24 MHz Corsair and the slot 2 expansion slot total up to 32 GB and the graphic card is NVIDIA 1030 2 GB DDR5. It is pretty good for your gaming and the improvement, and the storage is 240 GB N.2 SSD plus 1 terabyte HDD. Okay, and the second one in my list is, first of all, here we can check its all detailed specification of Syntexia. There is a complete list. I can put the link in my description. You can check with the 10,000 rupees discount on my link. There is a original pic of user by and review, so please check it now. The second one on my list is the Chest gaming PC. Look, here is a picture. It does look like a highly professional gaming cabinet and here is a RGB LED lighting sporting inside it and here is a RGB strip put on beyond its main cabinet front, and here is a box and the chipset which is very powerful. At the last of this video I am going to show you the best one among of three gaming PCs, so you can also check them. So there is a Ryzen and now check its specifications. So here is a AMD Ryzen 2600 6 core 12 threads processor, gigabyte 450 motherboard, and 8 GB DDR4 RAM and 240 SSD hard disk plus 1 TB hard disk, and the 4 GB RX 550 graphic card, and the 18 volts SMPS. So it is a quite large cabinet box, and its weight is 7 kilogram, and its operating system is working on Windows only. So it is sold by the SOP Electronics, and also you can check here its memory size with the different price range: 8 GB, 16 GB, 8 GB and 16 GB. You can check it on my description for more discount. So third number on my list is the DigiCam PUBG gaming PC with 120 GB SSD, Intel i7 1 TB and HDD, 8 GB RAM, and the NVIDIA graphic card, and the Wi-Fi, and the Windows 10 and MS Office installed trial version. Okay, so there is a inside for my opinion this is the price under 23,000 around. Here is a full detail of this, the price range, different prices. You can also get a computer memory size with the different price range, and the GPU model, and the Core i7 860 and the Core i5 650. You can check its hard disk size. There is a 1 TB, the 500 GB with the different price range, but you can also, you're under budget, there is a model number different, and there is a hard disk size and computer memory size is same. Okay, and the hard disk size is different in a different price range. So you can check it out on my description below. And for my, in my opinion, there is a best is the Santexia gaming PC. You can check it out. Thanks for watching this video.